Hello guys! I feel like I look really insane right now because we are up close and personal today and I have a full face of makeup on except for my eyes, well, and my lips too because they're currently soaking in some chapstick. But the reason I come to you looking so weird with no eyelashes on is because today we are trying something really fun. We are trying magnetic eyelashes. Boom. I'm really excited about this because, as everyone in makeup knows, the lashes like totally change the face. Like, I have a full face on except for eyelashes, and I look pretty bare. Like, my face looks pretty bare, even though I have like everything on, you know, bronzer, contour, highlight, all that stuff. Yeah, I look weird, at least to myself. So who is this weirdo coming at you? I am Anna. Thank you for joining me on my channel today and for this video because we are trying magnetic eyelashes. First time, like, never tried them before, and I see them all the time, so I'm really excited because I bought these on Amazon. Magnetic eyelashes, I feel like they're relatively new still, but I see them a lot more. I see them a lot more on my social media and YouTube and, you know, getting ads for them. They're supposed to be easier than regular eyelashes. Like, regular eyelashes have glue and you gotta let it dry and you gotta hold it there and all that stuff. These are supposed to be quick and easy, pop them on, pop them off like a magnet. So we're gonna try it out because I have tried regular eyelashes a few times. I don't wear them too often, A, because I tend to wear glasses, so I can't really have super big eyelashes. Otherwise that becomes annoying. But also because sometimes the glue gets everywhere and it's really sticky and they start pulling and it's like, oh, I'm not that good at regular eyelashes, so I'm really hoping that these, I haven't opened them yet, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping these are worth it. So instead of going for a really expensive pair, because magnetic eyelashes, especially like, I know Glamnetics right now is the really big magnetic eyelash, and they're relatively expensive, but they have great reviews and a lot of people like them. But I was not willing to spend like 50 bucks on a pair of eyelashes, so I went on to Amazon and found a pack of 5 for about $15, I believe it was. I will link it down below if you are interested, because this is my first time trying it, so I was like, might as well try the really cheap ones first, and see if they do anything, and if they do, if maybe over time I want to get like a nicer pair, obviously. So we're going to start with the really cheap ones first. So let's pull this out so we can actually see it. Ooh, that's pretty. So this is what it looks like when I take it out of the box. There's also, yep. So we have the eyelashes, obviously. It comes with 5 pairs, and they're all different, you know? They go from like being kind of like normal, kind of low-key, all the way down to like very dramatic. I don't need really dramatic eyelashes today. I'll probably just go with the top ones because I do have errands to run later. And it comes with like a thing to kind of put your eyelash on, and then these are the 2 magnetic liners. So, it comes with some instruction here on the back of the box. So first we gotta pull everything out. First I'm going to pull these eyelashes out. Pull one of these out. And first and foremost, you should always check to see if it's the right size for your eye. So I'm going to do that. Let's pull up my little mirror here. Why do I feel like that would be perfect? Like, I feel like that'd be pretty good sized. So I don't think I have to cut it at all. I have relatively big eyes, so, oh my god, they're magnetic and they're like sticking. My eyelash curler is right here. And they're just like sticking to the metal part of the eyelash. So they're definitely magnetic. Let's hope I don't get magnets in my eyeballs today. So I'm gonna grab the liner, pop this out, and it says to shake thoroughly. So we're gonna do that. It's really cute though. I like this rose gold color. Okay. I think I've shaked this enough, so I'm going to open it. And it says apply a thin line close to your lash line. All right. So we're just going to, ooh, this is not a nice looking brush. Like, look at that. Like, it is, ooh, a very cheap eyelash brush. Yeah, because like the hairs, if we take a look here, the hairs are like, I don't know if you can tell. There's like little hairs popping out of it. Oh well, so grabbing our mirror again. It has a very strong smell, like metal. I mean, it's magnetic, so gotta keep Not a lot comes out on the brush. So, okay, let's keep going. This is like a terrible brush. Like, do you see all this hair popping out of it? Do you see that? It's not a good brush. This is a really bad brush. Gosh, it's taking forever. We're just gonna do it. Because weirdly enough, like, it did have quite a bit of like good reviews actually. It had a lot of 5-star reviews, and it had over like 2,000 reviews, so I was like, that's a pretty good sign. Like, it wasn't like one positive review, it was like thousands. So I want to say this is gonna work and look nice. Also, the lighting is like not great today. It's like really cloudy. I had to turn my really big LED light that I really hate. Is that better? Is that worse? I can't tell. Okay, it says to let it dry. It says let it dry for 1 minute. I mean, the lash looks really nice, and the magnet is pretty heavy duty on here. So I'm just gonna, oh no. The magnet is sticky because these are metal, so they're sticking to it. Okay. Is it dry enough? I don't know, should we try it? Should we try it? Oop. Gotta pull up my mirror again. I want you to see it, but I also have to see, so this is really tough. Like, I kind of feel it sticking. I think, ow. Oh my god. I think it's better to just use your finger and try and... My actual eyelashes are getting, like, in the way. Alright, well, I think I got it stuck down. I'm gonna have to put on mascara. Okay, we're just gonna try and put some mascara on and see what happens. Like, I can see the eyelashes separating. Like, I want it to sit. It's not, the middle part is like not sitting correctly, and it's driving me nuts. I want it to sit itself down. Come on, buddy. Come on. Sit down. I don't know, part of me thinks that's the best I can get it. Let me bring you in like really close and personal. That is kind of what I'm dealing with. It's kind of like I can feel it pulling at my eyelash. And I don't know if you could tell, like, you could see the separation between my real eyelashes. You can see my door in the background. I feel like from a distance it looks pretty nice. I do, I think it does. But when I'm up close with it, I can see kind of the errors, but also you could feel it. It's not uncomfortable, but you can like kind of feel the weight and it pulling on your eyelash. I think maybe you just have to get used to it. I don't know, like from the side it looks kind of nice. Ignore how pointy my nose is. I don't hate it. But it's definitely not like, you know, obviously I see a lot of people who can do eyelashes very well and they can put it in nice and close to their eye. I think this is good for a beginner. I could still feel the liquid eyeliner. Yeah, okay. So that eye's done. Where'd my mascara go? Because I'll do my bottom lashes really quick. Just nice and lightly. I mean, clearly you guys can tell the difference an eyelash makes. Like, it's an instant, you know. I need to lighten this up because I don't know why my one side of my face is so bright and the other isn't. Probably because the window's right there. Should have done the other eye first. But the eyelashes definitely make a difference. Oh, it's such an annoying feeling. I don't know if I could wear this all day, but I want to see how long it will stay on. So I'll try and wear it all day and maybe come back and tell you about it. Also, I gotta do my hair. Okay, so we're gonna try the other eye now with the really crappy eyeliner. I mean, I don't think the eyeliner itself, I mean, it smells weird. And I'm like, is this gonna cause an infection in my eye? I really hope not. But like, this brush is just awful. Come on, focus. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, why does it never focus when I want it to? And I just got it all over my finger. All right, here we go. Other eye. I wonder, this brush is so bad. I wonder if the other one's, because it comes with two. I wonder if the other brush is that bad. This brush is just as bad. Okay. It's a pretty crappy eyeliner. I have a weird shadow on my face and I hate it. I wonder if I turn this light on. Is that better or worse? All right, here we go. Other eye. I'll be right back. Let me do the eyeliner and I will be right back. Okay, so I swear I'm not this bad at liquid eyeliner. I'm usually pretty good at it, but like I said, this brush is just like not it. So I'm usually a lot better. I don't think this is an eyeliner you should do your entire eye with. Like if you want a thick wing or something, I think just doing the base as this so you could get the eyelash to stick to it is probably what I'd do. And then I take like my regular eyeliner and do a wing. I'm not really feeling a wing today, so I'm not going to, but that's a suggestion for everyone else. So now we gotta let it dry for a minute. I'm slowly starting to get used to the feeling of this one pulling at this eye. Don't stick to it. I think it's easier to do with your fingers, but I'm just trying to use the stuff that they gave me, the instructions they gave me. So let's try this out. Scrubber. Oh, that one went on a lot nicer actually. So now we're just gonna take it and we're gonna move it around a little bit. Gotta get it to stick into the corner. Come on. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Why does this one look smaller than the other one? I swear I grabbed... Do you notice that? Like it looks smaller. Why is that? I grabbed the same one. Yeah, I grabbed the two top ones. The one looks smaller. Oh. So, does anyone else think they look like two different eyelashes? Like in the set they look the same, but then I put them on and one looks like way bigger than the other. I'm really up close and personal with you guys today. I'm trying to make sure this one, maybe it's because it's not close enough. Is it not close enough to the eye? Is that it? Okay, let's try and put mascara on it so that my eyelashes, my normal eyelashes blend in with it. Maybe that'll change it up for us. See, I feel like this one's like flaring out and this one isn't. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, now that I put mascara on it, it kind of is looking better. Fix that if I can. Maybe I'm making it worse by putting more mascara on it. I think I'm making it worse. Definitely made it worse. I'm showing you all the crap that's on my desk right now with the mirror. Thoughts? I don't know how I... Is it the way I'm tilting my... My head's not tilted at all. It's like straight on, and why does one look bigger than the other? Oh, I didn't do my bottom lashes. Maybe that's what's throwing me off. And the other one thrown off? Does it look different? Does it look like one eye is like, one lash is way bigger than the other? I'm also blind because I don't wear contacts and my glasses are off right now, so I'm also blind. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's just my own eyes, but let me know if you think it's off. Like one of them looks so much bigger than the other. I don't understand. How does it look from the side? Looks nice though. Like I don't hate it. Like I'm not mad at it. I'm actually getting used to it pulling on my eyeball. Wow. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. I'm actually really... I thought I was gonna hate it at first. When I started putting on the first one, I was like, oh, this is bad. This is not good. Found my glasses. I am curious. I'm gonna put my glasses on and see what... Yeah, that's a no. Focus. Like I have to, in order for them not to touch my... I have to wear them all the way down there. Interesting. Maybe today's the day we just walk around blind. Because I don't hate it. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I actually kind of like these. Okay, so it was a little rough in the beginning there. It was a little rough, not gonna lie. But they have so many options. And I just did the smallest pair. And I'm not mad at it. Me just checking myself out in the camera. Getting up close and personal. But like here, I'll just come in really close so you can see. Focus. What are your thoughts? Did I do a bad job? Or is it okay? Would you wear these? I actually really like it. Okay, let me finish putting my lipstick on and like do my hair and stuff, and I'll come back and we'll take a look at the final product, okay? Okay, so I am back, and yes, my hair is very floofy and curly today, but that's okay because I like it like that. So yeah, this is our final look today with the eyelashes. I don't know, I really like them. This one's already kind of popping off a little bit. I had to press it back down, but it's staying down. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do they look nice? Would you try this? Like, would you, honestly, like, would you try this? I feel like my hair is taking up a lot of room right now on the screen. That's okay. I really like big hair. It's pretty. All right. So please let me know in the comments below if you would try this. And I think they're okay. I no longer feel them on my eyes. I don't feel them anymore. So I think it's just getting used to the feeling of that like magnetic pulling feeling. But yeah, I don't feel it anymore. And I really like these, and they were not too expensive. I will link it down below if you are interested. This one had the best reviews out of all the ones I found on Amazon, so that's why I decided to get it. So definitely let me know. And please like this video if you enjoyed, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here on my YouTube family. I have a lot of fun content coming up, and there's definitely something for everyone on my channel. So hopefully I will see you later. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.